bay. As you can see, it's very rainy. Ah! And there's leaves and sticks flying everywhere. Also, we're in a flood watch. There's 4 to 6 inches of rain. Let's check into our digital problem. As you can see from the digital Doppler, winds are gusts of 30 to 50 miles per hour. Let's go check into Jamie down south. We're here with WHOC News. As you can see, we are here in Orlando, Florida, where winds are about 80 miles an hour, but I think I see a squall coming through. Oh, oh. Right there, it's that 100-mile wind, and it's hailing out here. It's like hurting, kind of, but right now, there's tornadoes everywhere, and oh my gosh, there goes a chair. There goes a chair. Oh no, it's getting worse than Hurricane Katrina. I think it could turn into a Hurricane 5, but that's it for now. Things are getting too rough, so thank you for watching WHOC News. This is Jamie. Oh, and one more thing. If you guys need help, call 827-530-9. Welcome. This is Lindsay, and this is Jamie, and thank you for watching WHOC News. We'll be back in an hour. Welcome. This is Lindsay again from WHOC News. As you can see, the weather is getting worse. There's wind of 80 miles per hour. So windy, I don't know where my host Jamie is. I just don't know. Oh, oh no! The wind is horrible! Horrible! We will come back to you in approximately 10 minutes with another update. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. The storm is getting so bad, it just scared the crap out of the dog. Excuse me, what are you doing? We can't walk here. Oh.